Hello, welcome to Fitness Support. Let's learn about this online examination in detail. So online examination is basically a module where you'll be able to manage all your online examinations, ask the students to appear for an examination, evaluate them, and let them know the scores that they have received. So let's get started with the webinar by just going to the online examination directly from this examination module. The examination module can be reached up from the academics tab and then the examination link. The online examination can be found from here itself. So once you get to the online examination homepage, you will be having a page like this which says new online exam, view online exam, view exam results, and reset exam. So we will be going through each of these things in detail. So let's get started with this new online exam. The new online exam asks you to fill up or start registering for an examination start conducting an examination for all of your students. So let's get started by writing the name of the examination. So I'll be putting the name of the examination as exam for maths. Let's put it as start date and an end date. Please note that this online exam that we're going to create will be available and will be valid only for the dates that you have entered. So if somebody comes to this examination and appears for this beyond this date, beyond the end date or before the start date, so he or she will not be able to log into the online exam. Then the next thing is to see the maximum time. So set an just 20 minutes, and then the pass percentage can be put up as, let us suppose, 40. Then I need to select upon like which is the batch to which this online examination has to be applied for. So the batch that I'm selecting up is grade 7. And then I'm clicking create. All the students of grade 7 section 1 will be having a link on an exam and the name exam maths in their online exam module. So we will be just going to one of the students login and checking out how the examination would actually look like. So let's create an examination first of all by hitting the create button after filling up all the details from here. On clicking upon the create button, your exam will be created and you will be asked up to fill up the questions for each of them. So to start off with, let's mark one of the questions. So I'll be creating some of the questions up here from a list of sample questions that I've already prepared, something like this. I need to enter up the mark for this. Let's enter it as 20. And then the options. So in my option, I have only created two options. So in any of these examinations, you'll be having only two options, option 1 and option 2. If you want to have some more options, you can also do so by using this by creating the number of options as 4 right from the beginning of the examination. So you can type the name or the exact answer, and then on clicking the answer you will be able to hit upon the create button and create the question. Similarly, if you would like to add some more questions, you can even add them one by one like this. the way how you'll be able to create some different questions or different examinations for this. So I need to enter up any one of them as a correct answer. Then on hitting the button finish, I will be able to finish the examination creation. So after all this examination has been created, the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to this view on an exam and view what all examinations has been created for the particular batch that you have been choosing for. The batch that you've chosen up is, let us suppose, grade 7th 2014, and then we have some of the classes like this. So the one that we have created right now was examination maths, and it is to be published. So if and only this examination has been published, it will be available up for all the students, and the students will be able to write the examination only if it's published from here. So once you publish the examination, you will see a notification which says exam published, and then you're all set to create some or allow the students to view or appear for the examination. So now let's let the students appear for the examination. So let's log into a student account first of all. So the user can log into his account, and on logging into his account, he'll be able to see the dashboard. So if it's a first time login, the student will be asked to change his password. Once the password and the other things are changed, you will be able to appear for the examination. To appear for the examination, it will be available up in the academics tab, online exam. So this student that I'm logged in is actually the one who has appeared, actually the one who want to appear for the examination. So you can go to this exam maths and hit upon the go button so that your examination information will be seen up here. The exam name would be coming up along with the maximum time and the pass percentage. So on clicking the start exam, you will be able to appear for the examination. So if a student appears for the examination, he or she will be marked as passed or failed. So I have only created only one exam here, only one question here. So I can even go to this and the timer starts up. Once the student starts for the examination, then on hitting the button finish, he will be able to finish the examination. So similarly, you can add some more questions and hit upon the finish, and he'll be able to see the result there itself once the examination has been completed. So then on completing the finish button, you'll be able to finish the examination, and the result regarding the same will also be available in the view exam results page from the admin account. So this is the admin account that I've been using now. The earlier was that of a student. So on clicking the batch, I'll be able to go to that particular batch. And on clicking the view result, I'll be able to see the result of all the students who have appeared for the examination. Right now, there is only one student who has appeared for the exam, so you are able to see only one. You can even get the PDF report of the same. Let us assume a case where the student wants to reappear for the examination because of some problem that he has encountered earlier. So you can even choose to reset the examination for them. So to choose to reset the examination for that particular student, you can click upon reset exam. On clicking reset exam, you'll be able to go to this grade here, and then you can select the examination. The examination which was actually that has happened just a couple of minutes before can be reset for that particular student. So if you want to reset the examination for this particular student, you can do so by clicking upon the name and clicking upon reset. So that's the way how this reset exam works up, and this finishes the tiny webinar on online exams. So for those viewers who are watching a YouTube video, we would like to uh, thank them for the support, and we will be uploading all of our videos for the future reference. Thank you for being a part of